My day was going on just fine until two of my videos I was editing crashed on my iPad. It was of no fault of the iPad, but apparently most of these editing apps work best on a desktop, so I had to go get a laptop. I have a Windows laptop, but since I film with my iPhone, I had to go get an Apple laptop, a MacBook, to enhance an easier video transfer and editing experience. So boom, let's go get a MacBook at the Apple Store. Tell you the store was packed, it was. Before heading out, I had already looked into some of these MacBook types, so I kind of had an idea of what I was going for, so the hunt was a bit easier. Few hours later, I made my choice, and I also met a nice friend at the Apple Store who also subscribed to my channel. So Lauren, if you are seeing this video,
thank you so much, Rebecca.
Thanks for subscribing to me. Thank you so much.
Oh, of course, it's my pleasure. Okay, bye. Have a nice day.
You too.
thank you so much for subscribing to the channel. I really appreciate you. How can I just walk past my favorite coffee shop and not get a drink? I ordered my favorite caramel ribbon crunch frappuccino.
Thank you.
No whipped cream and extra caramel crunch for the win. Let's go home and unbox her, shall we? If there's something I have learned as a new YouTuber, is to be very intentional with regards to everything you do for your videos. I am a YouTuber. This is my art space. I will be very intentional with it. Still help me subscribe, like, comment and share. And I will see you on another video. As always, don't forget to spread love and laughter. Mwah.